Well, hello on this fabulous Friday. Now, it's been quite an interesting week in the world of me and Ross Rides. A few things. This is now ready to go. The panniers are now packed. That's done. I bought my waterproofs, these Revit ones. Hope I don't have to use them, but they weren't a bad price. I changed the armour in my Knox Urbane for Ghost Armor, the D30 stuff, which makes it easier to fold up. Deadline coffee. They sent me my ground coffee. Excuse me. My ground coffee ready for my trip, which is great. I've got sugar sachets coming tomorrow via Amazon. I am taking that to Fred's open day tomorrow. If you weren't there, you missed it, but get your bike fixed by him anyway. And then once I get it back from there, it's going to get washed. It's going to get all the luggage put on it, and it's going to be sat ready to go. Before I forget, 908 subscribers. Thank you very much for everyone that's subscribed recently. Now, I want to remind people that some months ago, in a shameless plug to get subscribers, I offered this giveaway. And it was a 1,000 subscribers Lego giveaway. So, if you go to that video there, or in this video here, and if you write Ducati, Yamaha, or BMW in the comments, when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll pick a name out of the hat, and you'll win one of those pieces of Lego. And I think I said there'd be one other prize, I think, for a Lego Vespa. So, shameless plug, yes, I don't fucking care. Now, what else has happened? Oh, we have a guest. So this is a very lovely 2007, a 57 plate Triumph Street Triple with 12,000 miles on it, belonging to a neighbour of mine. And I did a review on this bike last year, actually, and it's such a great little bike. Like what bikes used to be. And I think we're worse off for bikes changing as much as they have. Anyway, my neighbour's got this bike and the Super Sport, which I also did a review on. Anyway, we jumped in my car today and we went off to Cirencester to view this bike. A very lovely Triumph Thruxton, which the current owner had turned into a bit of a scrambler. Actually, this chap had a phenomenal selection of bikes. An M1000R competition, a V4S Panigale with absolute cooked tyres, fair play to him, Triumph Bobber, and an F900 GS. And he was selling this Thruxton in order to buy a Street Triple V4S. And what was very nice, I said to him, when he said what he was doing, I said, oh, I've got a small YouTube channel, and I did a video on that the other day. And he went, oh, are you the guy that swears a lot? So although he didn't recognise my face, he did recognise me by my foul mouth. And, I'll take that, because I do fucking swear a lot. So this is for sale, as I think I said. But he wants about £2,500 for it. It's a cracking little bike. If you're interested in purchasing that bike, please also put something in the comments. What else has happened? Nothing really. It's the bit that's really sort of took me by surprise on this trip is I've never been away from my wife and daughter for what will be this long, and that's bothering me the most, which is a good thing, I suppose. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to being away from them for that long, and that is an emotion I did not expect to feel. So yeah, but 7 days tomorrow at this time of night I'll be in Assen, and I'm sure a week today I'm not going to sleep at all. Anyway, what to remind you of? Hit subscribe. I'd like to get to 1,000 subs. Subscribe so you can win this Lego. Buy Deadline coffee. Go to Fred's place. Buy that bike and watch me circumnavigate a bit of the planet on that. Anyway, cheers.